One of the ways that you can actually make money right now is what I am about to share to you. So if you're looking at making money in the online space, then you want to do these things that I will be discussing on this video. Hello there, my name is Grace Ibe. I'm super excited that you are on my channel. I share here on this channel business, marketing, getting customer and making money. So if you're looking at getting any of these, then you want to stick around, subscribe and make sure you like this video that you're about to watch. Also, don't forget to check my channel because I have a lot of videos that will be of benefit to you. So let's get into it, guys. So what are the ways that you can actually make money in the online space? I will be sharing with you some of the things that I do and that you can start pretty much with your phone, and you would very well start making money right now in this year. My number one is for you to create an ebook. Yes, guys, ebook is one thing that you can do with your smartphone and you will very well start making money immediately. So just with 20 pages, 30 pages, you can create a book that will teach people about a particular skill, about a particular knowledge that you have. So let's say, for instance, you sell tiger nuts, for instance, and you want people to actually learn about your tiger nut business. You can actually write a book, all right, on how to actually start the tiger nut business, and that way people will very well pay you money to get started with your book. So that is one of the things that you want to do right now if you're looking at getting extra income for yourself and for your family. My number two is creating online courses. Now, online courses is a series of video put together that is teaching people how to do a particular thing. Now, online courses, why I like it so much is something that people can actually get and they will, watch these videos for themselves and maybe reach out to you if they have issues, right? So online courses, you don't need to do anything. All you just have to do is use your phone to create videos and give to these people as it relates to the product that they are buying. So this is another way that you can actually make money for yourself. Another thing that you can actually do is creating online trainings. Yes, guys, online trainings is something that you can do with your smartphones. So on different platforms, you can host your training for 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, depending on what you want to actually teach these people. So your trainings can be hosted on WhatsApp, on Telegram, on Facebook, whatever platform that you are comfortable with, having people come on this platform to learn that particular thing that they have, shown interest in learning. That is how you can actually make money using online training. Another thing that you want to do is creating membership. Now, when we talk about membership, this is a particular having people join your membership by subscribing with a particular amount of money. So on a monthly basis, these people are actually paying money to subscribe to be members of your inner circle. So you can do this, and the beautiful thing about this is that when they don't want to subscribe for the next month, you can take them out of the group. That's how beautiful membership is about. So with this, you're very sure of actually making money on a monthly basis. So as people are joining your membership, you are very well making money. So this is also the same as subscription base. Just like you subscribe to your DSTV, to your Star Times and all of that if you are in Nigeria, that is how people can actually subscribe to your trainings if you give them the opportunities. So another way that you can actually make money using digital product is by creating templates. Template is, your ability to actually help people solve a particular problem. So let's say you are in the fashion niche, for instance. You can actually help other fashionistas or people in the fashion business. You can actually teach them how to make a particular dress by creating a template on how to sew trousers, for instance. You can create templates on how to bake chocolate cake. You can create templates on how to, do a particular thing. So template is just, a written down word, right, that helps people achieve a particular thing. So it tells them what to actually do and how to actually do it. That's a template. Another thing that you can actually create is workbooks. So you have this business that you have customers already. You can actually give them workbooks, right, that will help them achieve results faster. So let's say you are in consulting, you are in fashion, you are in whatever business that you are in. Ask yourself, what workbook can you create that would help your customers to achieve results faster? So let's say you are in the fitness niche, right, and you help people work out. So you want to do workbook on fitness, telling them how to actually work out, when to work out, so that they can actually have a plan. I have this entrepreneurs workbook that teaches entrepreneurs like you, business owners like you, how to actually make money on a monthly basis. It is called the Income Planner for Business Owners. So you want to get that if you are actually interested, so that you can see, an example of what a workbook actually looks like. So you want to create this workbook and help your customers, help other people in your industry to achieve results faster. So these are some of the ways that you can actually use to actually make money using digital products.